Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is accusing. 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 Accusing is an adjective that describes a tone, manner, or act characterized by making allegations or attributing blame to someone. It suggests a sense of blame, censure, or disapproval. Here are some examples. Example number 1. Their accusing tone during arguments was detrimental to their relationship. Why accusing is used in example number 1. In personal relationships, accusing highlights the tone of making allegations, which can harm the relationship. Example number 2. The candidates engaged in an accusing exchange, each blaming the other for policy failures. Why accusing is used in example number 2. In political debates, an accusing exchange involves candidates blaming each other for policy failures. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.